My friend Jane has invited me to an affiliate program so I can promote brand and earn commission. Hi Susan, join my team and start referring sales to earn money. Oh yeah, that's Jane. The description say, account may take up to 15 to create purchasing. Oh, it looks like I must register first. Excellent, I have purchased the affiliate starter kit. Now I guess I will wait 15 minutes. I see registration email with BackOffice URL, it appears my account is created. Let me log in and see. Great, now I can refer some friends and earn some commission.